Life didn't get easier, I just got stronger. I stopped fighting storms and started learning from them, and that changed everything. There's a path, you see, a path carved by men who stared into the abyss and didn't blink. Men who embraced hardship, not to escape life, but to truly live it. Men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, as Stoics. Welcome to AREV, where ancient Stoic wisdom meets the chaos of modern life. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of unshakable strength. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Marcus Aurelius wrote that. And it struck me, like a lightning bolt in the dead of night. It was a turning point. Because I realized then that peace, true peace, it doesn't come from some false sense of calm. It's forged in the very heart of chaos. It's about control, mastery over the one thing a man truly can control, his mind. Every challenge, every obstacle, I started to see it through a new lens. Is this within my control? That's the question. If the answer is yes, then you act. You act decisively without hesitation. But if it's not, if it's beyond your reach, then you let it go. It's that simple, that one question. It cut through the noise. It made life a damn sight simpler. Seneca, another Stoic, a wise man, he said, set aside a certain number of days to practice poverty, discomfort. That's where you find your mettle. That's where the soul is tempered. Cold showers. Early mornings when the rest of the world sleeps. Choosing discipline when indulgence beckons. These aren't punishments. They're the fires in which you forge your strength. While the rest of the world chases comfort, you welcome the cold. You greet the dawn, and you grow stronger for it.
Keep quiet, please. Quiet.
Most men, they react like dogs to a whistle, an insult, a slight, and they explode. Rage, guilt, regret, a vicious cycle. But a Stoic breathes. He understands that between the stimulus and the response, there's a space. And in that space, that's where you find your power. The power to choose your response, to act with clarity, with honor, with control. It took time, I won't lie. But I learned to find that space, to breathe in the heat of the moment, and it made all the difference. Chapter 4. Death as a compass, memento mori. Remember you must die. Morbid? No. Liberating. See, when you truly understand that everything ends, that this life is finite, the trivial matters fade away. Stress becomes meaningless. You stop wasting time on what doesn't matter. You start saying no to the things that drain you, and you start saying, I love you more. Because you realize just how precious time truly is. Death isn't the enemy. It's the compass. It points you towards what truly matters in this life. Chapter 5, the quiet work. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Epictetus said that. And he was right. I stopped seeking validation, stopped craving the applause, the need to show off, it just fell away. I focused on the work, quietly, consistently, day after day. Because a real man, he doesn't need a cheering crowd. His work, his actions, they speak for themselves, in silence. Chapter 6, the choice is yours. Every single day, every moment, it's a battle, emotion versus virtue. Anger whispers in your ear, urging you to lash out. But patience is the harder choice. Lust promises easy pleasure. But discipline holds the line. Fear paralyzes, but courage takes the step. Stoicism taught me this. Choose virtue every single time. Not because it's easy, but because it's right. Outro, your journey begins. These 6 lessons, they didn't erase the pain, they gave it purpose, they didn't remove the obstacles. They taught me how to walk through them, like a Stoic, with my head held high, with strength in my heart, and fire in my soul. Subscribe to AREV, where ancient wisdom builds modern warriors. Your journey starts now.